सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
In a latest development on May 1st, 200 new mandis were added to the eNAM platform. These 200 mandis belong to 7 different states. A video conference was held by the Union Minister of Agriculture, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, and during this video conferencing, the mandis were added to the platform. Not only this, the Union Minister also stated that by May 2020, around 1,000 mandis will be joining the eNAM platform. In today's DNS, we will talk about eNAM and its latest developments. 200 mandis from 7 different states have joined the eNAM platform for marketing the agricultural produce. These include 94 mandis of Rajasthan, 27 mandis of Tamil Nadu, 25 mandis each from Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, 16 mandis of Odisha, 11 mandis of Andhra Pradesh and 2 mandis of Karnataka. This has brought a total of 785 eNAM mandis in the country. It is the first milestone that has been achieved in the path of integrating 415 new markets all over India. Also, for the first time, Karnataka state has also been added to the list of eNAM. eNAM has been integrated with the Unified Market Platform UMP of Karnataka's Rashtriya E-Market Services REMS. It is an e-trading platform promoted by Karnataka State Agriculture Marketing Board. This will help traders across both platforms to execute seamless trading both platforms by using single sign-off network. It is the first time that 2 trading platforms of agriculture commodities have been integrated in India, facilitating interstate trade development. The Prime Minister's vision of using technology for the benefit of farmers will soon be realized. With the aim to reach last-mile farmers and change the way they sell their agricultural produce, eNAM has gained more strength by reaching out to more farmers and traders in the new mandis. Already, there were 585 mandis in 16 states and 2 union territories integrated and working. Now, more 200 have been added to help facilitate in the business and trade. eNAM or National Agriculture Market is a pan-India electronic trading portal which networks in the existing APMC mandis to create a unified national market for agricultural commodities. It was launched in the year 2016. Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium SFAC is the lead agency for implementing eNAM under the aegis of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. The vision of eNAM is to promote uniformity in agriculture marketing by streamlining of procedures across integrated markets, removing information asymmetry between buyers and sellers and promoting real-time price discovery based on actual demand and supply. eNAM has come a long way with 1,66 lakh farmers and 1,28,000 traders having been registered on eNAM platform. It facilitates trade beyond mandis and state borders.